patches go? Did they
Dude,
fly
Jumbo,
off?
you suck.
Did they fly off?
Oh, no shit.
Fuck, dude. It flew away, bro. Well, we're on a mission.
Look right there.
Right there behind you.
Since Jumbo doesn't know how to record, he was recording it up and down again instead of fucking sideways.
That is sideways.
No, I restarted it. The fucking numbers are right here, not right here.
Oh, yeah, that's nice of you.
Wait. You gotta hurry up and get the fucking patch ready.
Yep. Get the patch ready.
Okay, now my hands are starting to get cold, dude. Here, watch out.
Yeah, help move real quick. Somebody hold the light. I'm holding the light. Max doesn't want to help you.
Bring you fucking ramen. Is that style?
You ain't ramen?
I got ramen.
Are you making a spread?
Yeah, dude, we can make a spread.
Oh. Hey, is it ride a motorcycle right now, bro? Four times?
I use mine so many times. I got like 2 different things of plugs.
Alright, somebody get ready to pull the reamer out. Max. Ready? Pull her out. God.
I know, I hate whenever it fucking does burn. Spin on it a little bit. Apparently there's a rumor going around that pumped the new guy out of the chair. Me? Wow. Because apparently I was like, hey dude, my fucking seat, get the fuck out my seat.
Alright, so you're just playing?
No, I didn't even say it like that. I just told him, hey dude, I'm sitting here. Stuff's already there. Oh, right here. Be like Skip.
Here, do you want this? Damn, you had them unzipped and everything? Fuck.
Yeah. He doesn't get cold and stuff.
Show that stuff on YouTube, bro.
My comments on that dickhead. I had a bunch of fucking badass comments I came back with to the fucking dickhead on that stupid ass fucking hit that guy's interview.
Yeah.
And they deleted it. I went to show some people at work today during lunch.
They deleted the video?
No, they deleted my comment.
All of them?
No, just the one that called the dude a needle pusher and the tweakers that just came up with it some night in the fucking middle of the night. Pissed me off. What's the PSI on this bitch?
So how do you feel?
I feel like shit.
Why?
I slept for 7 hours right now.
Alright. Good job, guys. Team effort.
There was a lot of good people out there. It was a team effort.
Yeah, nutsack, so I'm going inside. You got another nail right there. Where? Yeah, we need to get this motherfucker out.
I know, we need fucking
Ooh.
cancel this dude.
Hey, whoa! Hear that? Alright, what do you got to tell all the people in the world, Max?
Suck a dick.
Alright, Moon, what do you got to tell all the people?
And whoop-de-doop. And Hickory, don't forget to hang up the socks.